Want to build a premium, highly interactive USA map in WordPress without manually styling 50 different states? My name is Max. I've been a WordPress specialist for over 10 years, and today I'll show you an advanced workflow using pickpoints to create this exact pixel-perfect, responsive vector map in under several minutes. Completely no code. We will use smart grouping, some CSS styles, and tooltip inheritance. Let's build it from scratch right now. First, let's create a new map and click Import SVGs to upload our blank United States vector map. Pickpoints renders the vector paths instantly. What makes this plugin a game changer for developers? The plugin supports Shadow DOM. This guarantees your custom map styles stay completely isolated and will never conflict with your WordPress theme or page builder styles. Here is where the smart optimization comes in. Instead of tweaking each state one by one, we select all 50 state layers and combine them into a single parent group called states. Inside the group settings, we assign an extra CSS class named states. Next, we optimize our tooltips. We set the individual state tooltips to inherit from parent. Then, on the parent group level, we enable tooltips, give the group a class of state tooltips, and use a template for group tooltip data. This means we configure the tooltip container just once, and it automatically grabs the dynamic name of whichever state the user hovers over. Now, let's open the custom CSS panel. Notice that here in the designer mode, our map stays a clean black and white sketch. This is a brilliant architectural choice. Pickpoints doesn't bloat your database with fixed color settings for every single layer. Instead, we choose to handle it dynamically via code. Let's paste our CSS layout. We style our state tooltip padding, and for the state layers, we use the built-in dynamic variable inside an HSL color function. This automatically generates a flawless, seamless color gradient across the entire country based on the layer order, topped with a smooth hover transition. Next, let's add our data points. We click to place ellipses for various strategic locations across the states and style them. After we group these markers into a parent group called nuclear bases with the class nuclear bases. Just like with the states, we set the individual marker points tooltip options to inherit from parent. Then, on the parent group level, we enable tooltips and paste the template. This means we configure the tooltip container just once, and it automatically grabs the dynamic name of whichever marker point the user hovers over. For a bit of fun and storytelling, I'll also drop 2 animated images right onto the canvas to make the map feel alive. Let's switch from designer to preview mode to see the magic happen. Boom! Our hover animations are live, and our custom-styled nuclear markers look incredibly premium. Everything works flawlessly. Let's hit publish and copy this clean WordPress shortcode. Let's create a new post, paste our shortcode, and view the live page. Look at that result! And if we inspect the page in mobile responsive mode, you can see that because it's powered by SVG and Shadow DOM, the entire map scales down beautifully on smartphones without a single line of messy media queries. Done. As you can see, you don't need a massive media budget to build high-end editorial maps, interactive floor plans, or corporate location dashboards. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on creating stunning interactive maps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.